We're going to see a good start in the morning, giving it an A- for the kids stepping out the door tomorrow. 67 degrees, but a little humid. And then the afternoon, a C- as we'll have a good chance of storms. Highs will be in the low 80s. Now, I didn't flunk it because we don't have a huge severe weather threat, and temperatures will actually be cooler than normal for this time of year. Wanted to show you where we stand. For August, we're still behind by about ½ an inch of what we would normally be getting this time of year. In the mountains, though, ahead after some major rains in the Asheville area by 4 inches. And that's just for the month. Ahead by over 10 inches for 2020. We're ahead by 21 inches. That is a huge surplus for the year. So we really don't need a ton of rain, but we are behind a little bit in the upstate. We're going to get some more as we go into tomorrow. So take a look, 2 p.m., scattered showers, more clouds tomorrow. It's going to keep temperatures down, so not nearly as hot as what it was today. And we're going to see off and on rain through Thursday evening and even into the day on Friday. Notice this latest computer model picking up a good bit of moisture going into the morning Friday. So Friday morning into the mid part of the day, we could have some heavier downpours. Usually we see those in the afternoons, might see them early Friday. So right now we're looking at Thursday afternoon and evening, possibly early Friday, and then another round going into the day on Saturday. And when it comes to rain totals, this doesn't look like a big flooding event or anything like that, but some localized flooding is possible, as we could see over an inch of rain for much of our area between now and the end of Friday. Temperatures currently holding in the 60s and 70s. Where it rained, we got a running start at cooling down. So we're at 68 in Gaffney, 68 for Asheville, 72 for Clemson and Anderson. So tonight, 67 for an overnight low, so not cooling down a whole lot more in many locations. In the mountains, low 60s expected with those thunderstorms ending at least for tonight. Now let's zoom into Greenville. As we get the day started tomorrow, it's going to be a mix of clouds and sun. By noon, 77 degrees. Watch those skies if you're going to be walking around downtown. Maybe you're going to be taking a break from work. Temperatures in the low 80s around 4 o'clock with some dark skies, chance for a passing shower. You can kind of see that on our computer model here. Toward the evening hours, upper 70s expected at 8 o'clock. So as we rate the day on the Carolina Sky Meter, keeping it pretty low with a 4, since we will have that chance for rain in the afternoon, and it will be fairly widespread in many spots. Quick look at the tropics. We did this more in depth earlier, but notice we've got 2 systems. One that's likely going to move over the Yucatan, could end up in the Gulf of Mexico. That would be Monday into Tuesday of next week. A high pressure is going to help to drive another system as well in the Atlantic. It just became tropical depression number 13, and it could be moving into Florida as well as potentially the Gulf of Mexico. If it curves north, though, at a certain point in that track, it could bring us some rain. So that would be next week. We'll be watching for that potential and keep you posted, but still a lot of question marks with what these 2 systems will be doing. A good chance of storms for the rest of this week, and then slowly taking down those storm chances this weekend, but they never totally go away. So you want a plan B for those outdoor plans, Tori.